How to write the English alphabet in an easy way.
X. Uppercase X. Start at the top and do a diagonal line down. Go back to the top and do another diagonal line the other way. Lowercase x. Slant down. And another slant down the other way. Good job! X is for xylophone, X-ray, xeris, xebec, X-ray fish. The next letter is letter Y. Uppercase Y. Slant down. Slant down in. And pull down. Lowercase y. Slant down in. Slant down and extend. You're a winner! Y is for yogurt, yo-yo, yak, yacht, yarn. The last letter. The letter Z. Uppercase Z. Across on top. Slant down in. And across at the bottom. Lowercase z. Start on top. Across. Slant down in. Across again. Wow! I'm impressed! Z is for zebra, zucchini, zipper, zeppelin, zoo. You did it! Great work, kiddos!
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel.